Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you guys how I created this glass nail. I am so sorry if I sound down. This is literally my third try doing this voiceover. I don't know, for some reason my voiceovers just are not working these past few videos, but we are here and we are doing it again. So this confetti I bought from AliExpress about 2 months ago, and it literally just arrived yesterday morning, so I will be using it today. And this one honestly isn't my favorite one, but it is beautiful and I decided to use it because I really like the blues in it. Now since we're about to get into it, this here acrylic, you guys are going to see me struggling to apply it simply because I don't know, for some reason it just kept hardening up on me. I couldn't get it off the brush, I couldn't get it on the nail, and then I finally get it on the nail and it does nothing but just fall off. So after 10 billion tries, I decided to just go in with my Beauty Professionals clear acrylic, and voila, here we are. It's magnificent. We are doing something. I do have a small bit of clear acrylic on my brush before I dip it into the confetti, and that just helps it adhere a little bit more and actually stay, actually seal into the nail. I believe I will be demonstrating this on 4 fingernails. I believe. I could be wrong, but I do think it's 4. And I do apologize for being out of frame, but honestly in this video I'm so proud of myself. I wasn't that much out of frame. I mean, I was out of frame, but not that much. Aren't the colors just so pretty? I mean, it's just so dazzling. I just love looking at it. So now I'm taking that same clear acrylic and I'm just going to cap the confetti into the nail. And I'm sure you guys have seen this so many times, so I won't be wasting too much time on it.
Too much
Now I'm just gonna take this here 100 by 180 grit file by McCart and just go over my shape, because you do lose the shape with all the acrylic being applied. And me tapping was just me trying to see if the product had dried all the way, and it did. Now I'm just taking 91% alcohol and I'm using it to wipe down my nails, and then I will be going to wash them. So this is some more cute stuff that I ended up getting. It's some more confetti, but they look like leaves, and they do remind me of like fall time, but I really wanted to use them now, so I went ahead and chose the blue ones to use, and I will be using them to create my flowers. Okay, to be honest, I was struggling so hard with these flowers, so I may be out of frame a lot. But yeah, like I used nail glue to stick them on. They were still falling off, but I mean, we got it done. So after filming, I did notice that I had a few mishaps. I had some stones misplaced, and I kind of cured them that way. So you may end up seeing them in the finished product, but I did go off camera and fix them. So I did insert another clip that I took on Snapchat, and that is the actual finished product with no mishaps or anything like that. So now I'm going in with my Mifa. I believe it's Mifa or Mefa, I'm not sure. I'm going in with that top coat, and I'm just sealing these flowers in. And before I cure them, I will be going in with my AB crystals and applying them into the center of the flowers. This chest here is just some crystals that I threw in the container. I mainly use these crystals. I have others, but I don't really use them. So this is just a collection of the ones that I pretty much use. Now I'll be going in and curing them for 30 seconds. Now I'm just adding my Beauty Secret cuticle oil. I left this bit in because I think applying the cuticle oil is so satisfying. And that is all for this video, you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Anything you guys would like to see me create, go ahead and put that in the comments, and we can try and do a poll or something. But thanks again, you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.